Kia ora, and welcome to this ATNZ how-to video. Today we will explain the details of a complex apprentice timesheet and things to look for in your review. A separate video is available on Leave within Timesheets. The Time Filer system can be used both as an app and as a website. We will use the website throughout this demonstration. To begin, log into Time Filer. In the My Time tab, you will see the apprentices working within your business. If you have more than one apprentice, you can use the drop-down button to see the full list and select each apprentice individually. When you click on an apprentice, you will see their timesheet. Next to each apprentice's name, you will see the status of their timesheet. All submitted timesheets are for host approval and must be approved in order for the pay to be processed. On the apprentice's timesheet, you can see the days in the week and the hours each day that the apprentice has worked. Overtime calculations. Overtime calculations will vary depending on the individual employment agreement with each apprentice. Apprentices are either paid daily or weekly overtime. Daily overtime means that any hours after the daily rostered hours are exceeded must be paid as overtime, as shown in this table. For weekly overtime, once all rostered hours for the week are accounted for, the remaining hours are then counted as overtime. The apprentice will have entered hours into their timesheet using the overtime basis which is applicable to them. Here we can see that this apprentice has daily overtime, as all hours after the ordinary 8 hours for the day are counted as overtime. Allowances. For allowances, the apprentice can enter multiple allowances for one day. Allowance rates can be hourly or calculated at a flat rate. This table shows the difference in input that hourly or flat rate allowances would have. Public holiday worked. If an apprentice worked on a public holiday, they should use the work code Public Holiday Worked for their time. If the apprentice did not work the holiday, they should not enter this work code. A statutory holiday payment will automatically be calculated by the system. Alerts. Within a timesheet, you may see yellow alerts. These are to bring your attention to items which require review. Please read these alerts. If these alerts require the apprentice to resubmit the timesheet, please unsubmit the timesheet and discuss what needs to be updated with the apprentice. Please note all rostered hours should be accounted for, even if these are logged as leave without pay. If you have any issues with the work time or allowance available to the apprentice, please get in touch and we can discuss the options available to you. We hope you have found this video helpful. Please check out the other videos we have or get in touch with us if you are having any issues. Ka kite anō.